Hello, crypto world. Exciting Monday. It appears the rumors about the shutdown were correct, and we have the S&P up almost 0.5%, and importantly, the tech-heavy Nasdaq's up almost 1.5%. Let's jump over to crypto, and unsurprisingly, crypto's up across the board over the same news, and I want to give a couple of observations that I think are a bit surprising to me. Number one, in the derivative market, which prior to the announcement about the probability of ending the shutdown, we had a maximum paying price of $110,000 for Bitcoin on the last day in November. Guess what happened? It's dropped to $108,000. Kind of interesting and a bit surprising to me. Let's see what happens to it tomorrow. But while there is enthusiasm, obviously, in the crypto market, it's not as great as it was earlier in the day. And you can see from the Bitcoin chart, this is an hourly chart. It ran up on the news, spiked up to like over 106,500. And now, interestingly, it's back down. Not radically, but it's not holding on to the gains. But of course, it's still early in the day. Part of the reason, in my opinion, for the fact that Bitcoin backed off and crypto backed off a little bit after their big gains was in part because look what happened to the dollar. The dollar was lower, but then when the stock market went up so strong, the dollar went up as if to suggest that without the shutdown, the economy would be stronger, so rates aren't necessarily going down. That's just my immediate response, but again, it's just early in the day. In a similar fashion, yields went up, not radically, but they did go up, and that is also contributing to the back off a little bit in Bitcoin and the rest of crypto. Bottom line, obviously, the fact the shutdown is going to be over is a fantastic thing, and in my opinion, this will not stop the Bitcoin rally. We will not see a huge spike up in interest rates, and we're not going to see the dollar spike up because of this. This is just an initial response, and I believe that we are now on the path to having all-time highs in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the alts will get close to them because it doesn't seem to me that this changes the fact that they're likely to cut the rates in December. This means the economy will be stronger, means the stock market will go up, and I personally believe it means the tech stocks will go up a greater deal than the other parts of the market, which will spill over to crypto. That's my 2 cents, but right now that's far from financial advice. It's sort of speculation.